Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset mobile network setting. Friends, you want to reset your phone mobile network setting. So how to reset mobile network today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting. Friends, after additional setting friends, you can see language setting is your date and time setting, keyboard setting, accessibility setting, OTG connection friends you want to use, so you can on and you can use from here. Friends, click on backup and reset, click here. Friends, you want to on backup my data, you can on, and friends you can backup account from here. Friends, click on factory reset setting. Friends, you can see mobile network setting, reset setting is click here, and friends you can see we can reset friends mobile network setting from here. After reset friends, now you can on your mobile network without any problem, and friends you can use it. After that friends, you have any problem on your mobile network setting, so don't worry friends, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys and send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you guys. And friends, you can reset with shortcut setting also. Direct friends, search your reset. Friends, you can see reset setting friends, scroll it friends, you can see reset network setting friends, click here. Friends, direct friends, you can reset from here your mobile network setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. I hope friends you understood how to reset mobile network setting on oppo phone device. So bye guys. Friends, now you have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.